Welcome back, student. So this video clip is prepared for chemical reaction engineering subject, and today's subtopic is plug flow reactor in parallel or parallel series combination. So for plug flow reactor placed in a parallel or any parallel series combination, V by F or tau must be same for each parallel line to have conversion to be same in each branch. In case of parallel series combination, the reactors are in series is treated as a single reactor having volume equal to sum of volumes of reactor in series. This means if we are having the parallel series combination system, that means consider the 3 plug flow reactor. So out of these 3 plug flow reactors, there are 2 branches. That means branch 1 consists of 2 plug flow reactor connected in series, and another branch contain the plug flow reactor which is connected to the parallel to this branch. So this is the V1 first reactor, this is the V2, and this is the branch 1. So branch 1, for branch 1, this is the initial molar flow rate F0. So this flow rate is distributed between 2 branches. So here the first reactor is the V1 and second reactor is V2, and after the reaction is completed in V1, we get the conversion X1, and that feed is fed to the reactor V2. Then we get the conversion X2. Similarly, from for this branch number 2, we have conversion X is equal to 0 for reactor V3, and F02 is the molar flow rate for second branch, and here the F01 is the molar flow rate for the first branch. Then here we are having another plug flow reactor having the volume V3, and the conversion is X3. So this system is called a plug flow reactors in series and parallel combination. So this is the series combination and this is the parallel combination. Then branch 1 consists of 2 plug flow reactor in series. Hence, a system of 2 plug flow reactor in series may be considered as a single reactor of volume V. That means branch 1 is having 2 reactors, plug flow reactors. So in previous video clip, we have already discussed that when the plug flow reactors are considered in a series, that may be considered as a single reactor of volume V. So for that purpose, we are adding these two, means volume of first reactor V1 and volume of second reactor V2. So we get total volume V. Then for branch number 1, we have the performance equation V upon F01. So here V is total volume for these 2 reactors V1 and V2, and F01 is the molar flow rate for first branch, then which is equal to 0 to X2 dx upon minus R2. So here we have considered this conversion and these 2 reactors, and F01 is initial molar flow rate fed to the first reactor. Then branch second V3 divided by F02 that means this V3 divided by F02 is equal to integration 0 to x3 dx upon minus r. So this is the performance equation for third reactor, that is V3, which is connected in a branch second. Then for plug flow reactor, if connected in a parallel, V by F, that means volume to molar feed rate ratio must be identical, that means same if the conversion is to be same in each branch. That means suppose the conversion x2 and x3 is same, then this ratio V by F ratio for parallel flow must be same because the conversion is same for each branch. So therefore x2 is equal to x3, which is equal to x. That means in both branches conversion is same. Suppose for this branch it is 70% x2 value. So here x3 is also 70%. So from that we can conclude that x2 is equal to x3 is equal to x. So therefore we can write from this above conclusion, V by F01 is equal to V3 upon F02. That means volume to molar feed rate ratio must be same because the conversion is same. And we know that F0, that means initial molar flow rate, is equal to F01 plus F02. That means this molar flow rate is equal to F01 plus F02. So this is the conclusion for this parallel series combination. Then we will solve a small example. So in this example, in figure 4.16, that means this figure, suppose V1 is equal to 40 liters, that means this reactor is having 40 liter volume. V2 is 20, so this is V2 having volume 20 liter, and V3 is 30 liter, that means this reactor is having volume 30 liter. Then what fraction of the feed should be go to the branch 1 for the conversion to be same in each branch? So here we have to calculate the fraction of feed that should be go to the branch first. That means the value of F01, because this feed is distributed for this series for this branch 1 and branch 2. So from this data we have to calculate the what fraction of feed that should be go for the branch number 1. So as this V1 and V2 is connected in a series, so we can take the total volume of both reactors. That means addition of these two reactors. So V is equal to 40 plus 20, which is equal to 60. And suppose F01 is the feed rate for branch 1. Then for reactor in parallel, that means these reactors are connected in a parallel. So V by F must be identical, that means same if the conversion is to be same in each branch. So if the conversion is same, then V by F ratio should be same, and this is mentioned in a problem that conversion is same. So here V by F1, so this 1 indicates branch number 1, is equal to V by F2, that means this is for branch number 2. So we know that for branch number first, the total reactor volume is having 60 liter divided by F01. So this value we don't know. Then here for branch number 2, the reactor is having 30 liter volume and we don't know what is the value of F02. So if we solve this equation, then we get F01 is equal to 2 into F02. Okay. Then we have F0 is equal to F01 plus F02. So this feed is distributed in both branches. So F0 is equal to F01 plus F02. So we can write here. Then you have to put the value of F01, which is calculated from this equation. So you have to put here, and by putting the F0 is equal to 2F02, then if we solve for F02, then we get 1 by 3 F0. And again we have to calculate the F01 value. So again we have to put this value here, and you have to calculate F01. So if we solve this, we get F01 is equal to 2 by 3 F0. So that means 2/3 of the feed must be fed to the branch 1 and 1/3 of feed must be fed to the branch number 2, F02. So actually the answer for our problem is given here. 2/3 of the feed must be fed to the branch 1. Thank you.